Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows 11 hanging and slow problems. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you can do is here with the start icon, please do a right click and then scroll up and go with Task Manager. The moment you have tapped it, wait until a new window would appear here in our screen. Where here you need to expand it first and go with Processes. So under the processes, you can see your Windows Explorer running under the apps or it might be running at the Windows processes. So simply scroll down and look for it. Once you have found it, please do a right click and go with restart. Now once you have successfully restarted your Windows Explorer, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the left side of the screen and go with startup apps. Now here's the catch. You need to disable some of the unwanted application or especially those application that is unknown or unfamiliar and those applications that is not that necessary in your Windows or computer. So change the status into disabled, how you can do so. So let's say for example you want to disable the Microsoft Edge since you no longer needed it and since you have another browser that you have used. So all you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with disabled. Once you have disabled it, you would be able to mark it disabled and just have to locate those certain application that you no longer needed and change the status into disabled. I mean, don't put a heavy load in your startup apps because that might be one of the factor why you face a hanging and freezing issues in your Windows 11. Okay? But that doesn't mean that even if you disable that in your startup apps, that doesn't mean that you can no longer access or use that. I mean, you can still use it. It's just that you have stop it from running under the startup apps. Okay. Once you're done, close this window and proceed to our next method. Our third method would be you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar, and this time on you need to tap for Control Panel. Once you have typed that, wait until a best match would appear here in our search bar and proceed with the best match once it's appearing and click on open to continue. Wait until a new window would appear here in our screen, which is our all control panel items. Now, if your window or view doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of the screen and go with large icons. Once you have set it, please proceed with power options. Please click on it and go with choose what the power buttons do. So all you need to do is you need to select on it. Okay. And here you need to proceed at the backward arrow since we are not looking for it. Okay, all you need to do is you need to go with change plan settings. Okay. So here in the change plan settings, all you need to do is change advanced power settings. You need to click on it. And the moment you have to click on it, you'll be able to see advanced settings. You need to scroll down and look for an option called PCI Express. So click this add arrow and add icon, go with link state power management and click this add icon again. And ensure that all of this on battery is off as well as plugged in it is off. Once you're done, click on apply and then OK. So close this window and you need to navigate to our next method. Our next method would be you need to bring up your File Explorer window. And the moment you have proceeded it, all you need to do is you need to select on the C drive or local disk. Please do a right click and go with your show more options. Okay. So here, if you don't see any of the option that we are looking for, all you need to do is you need to do a right click, okay? And you need to go with properties where you can scan the disk, okay? So we are going to look for it. It is being under the tools. All you need to do is you need to go with checked. And this will do error checking. So just have to scan drive and wait until the process will be done. So this will check all the error that might I mean, that is present or that might be existing in your drive. Okay, so wait until the scanning will be done. Okay, it might take some time, but definitely it will be worth it. Okay, so once you're done, all you need to do is you need to restart your computer, and there you have that. Those are the steps on how to fix your hanging and freezing issues in your Windows or computer. Now, if those steps help you to fix your problem, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.